Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FedEx Business account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fedex.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official FedEx website. Now in order to log into your business account, you can use the normal login portal as well. Click on the sign up or login option and then click on sign up login once again. And now you will be taken into the login portal. Just type in your user ID that you have set up for your business account within the user ID box and then enter your account password underneath within the password section. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your FedEx Business account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on the forgot your user ID or your password option and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your FedEx Business account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.